Fidelio stands for the perfect balance between acoustic performance and design. It has absolute quality components, acoustic principles, authentic materials and finishings, encompassed in a design which is distinctive and enduring.
The Fidelio sound is all about lifelike music reproduction. It's born out of lots and lots of listening, but not only the product themselves, but also the opinions of consumers, of musicians and industry experts. 57 graduates of our in-house Golden Ear training program give us reliable, detailed feedback from our blind listening test. Dedicated machines are also used for testing. The result is really a combination of rich warmth and clear details, really aiming at best-in-class sound quality.
Product design and acoustic design are inextricably linked. As with all Fidelio solutions, form is tailored to maximize sound performance.
With Fidelio, we benchmark ourselves with the best in class. We looked into materials and finishes to create that uniqueness. We use authentic materials for its relationship with music, but also for its perfection.
Fidelio's people-focused design philosophy delivers great intuitive user experiences. What brings us together is our shared passion, our ambition to set the highest standards to create the most authentic sound experience. That's Philips Fidelio.